Hey! My name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool HINGE-DOOR Part #WPW10299224. The Whirlpool HINGE-DOOR Part #WPW10299224 is a replacement part for Whirlpool refrigerators. It is a door hinge that attaches to the refrigerator door and allows it to open and close. The hinge is made of durable plastic and metal components, and it has a black finish. It is designed to fit most Whirlpool refrigerators, including models with French doors. The part includes 2 screws for installation, and it comes with instructions for easy installation. This part helps keep your refrigerator door securely closed, ensuring that your food stays fresh, and this part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement hinge for a Whirlpool refrigerator door. It is used to fix issues with the door not closing properly or not staying closed. Here is how you install this part. 1. Begin by gathering the necessary tools and supplies for the installation. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a drill, and the Whirlpool hinge door part #WPW10299224. 2. Remove the existing door hinge from the refrigerator door by unscrewing the screws with a Phillips head screwdriver. 3. Place the new Whirlpool hinge door part #WPW10299224 in place of the old hinge and secure it with screws using a Phillips head screwdriver. 4. Use a drill to make 2 holes in the refrigerator door for mounting screws. 5. Insert TW. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.